Hello, I'm pleased to share with you some enhancements that have been added to CEB's Metrics That Matter platform. The October 2014 MTM release adds two new enhancements to one of MTM's most popular features, Instant Insights. The purpose of this demonstration is to provide an overview of enhancements to Instant Insights and help you understand the business problem that they will help you solve. This demonstration is not detailed training for how to use the Instant Insights feature, nor does it include all functionality we've added to MTM with the October 2014 release. In March 2014, we launched Instant Insights, a prescriptive guidance tool that identifies relationships with scrap learning. Instant Insights tells you immediately how much scrap learning occurs in your training programs and suggests what specifically may contribute to that scrap. It then provides expert research to recommend ways you can reduce scrap learning. Any MTM user has access to Instant Insights. You can filter it to specific courses, locations, instructors, or other attributes so that you can easily identify scrap learning in very specific areas. Instant Insights has been such a hit that we asked you, our MTM users, for feedback on how we can make it even more useful for you. We used your feedback to guide us toward two enhancements for Instant Insights introduced with the October 2014 release. The first enhancement to Instant Insights is the ability to customize the refresh time for any Instant Insights widget. You need to view and export reports on your own schedule, and you often set your other scheduled reports to deploy at different intervals. While formerly Instant Insights widgets would only refresh on the third day of each month, we've enhanced the feature so that you can now control when your Instant Insights widget refreshes. Doing so allows you to schedule your Instant Insights widgets to refresh at the same time your scheduled reports run. To customize your refresh time for any Instant Insights widget, click on the pencil icon on the widget itself, which opens the Edit Properties window. In the Edit Properties window, you will now see a section called Widget Refresh Frequency. While this section defaults to update on the third of each month, you can use it to set your refresh frequency to a daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly fiscal, quarterly calendar, or yearly cadence. Within each cadence, you can select multiple refresh times. For example, in the screenshot here on the left, you can see that I've selected weekly and then chosen to have the widget refresh on both Tuesday and Friday of each week. For my widget, I've selected quarterly fiscal and for the widget to refresh on the 15th day of the quarter. Upon saving, the widget updates to display when it was last refreshed or generated on and when it will next refresh. In line with the 15th day of the quarter, you see that this widget will next refresh on October 15th. The second enhancement to Instant Insights is the ability to download any widget to a ready-made Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. PowerPoint is a primary tool through which people conduct business, and we want to make sure that MTM supports your use of it. You're now able to download each Instant Insights widget into Microsoft PowerPoint so that you can view, edit, and customize a presentation for any stakeholder. The presentation includes the Instant Insights widget's criteria such as date range, filters, and benchmark, summary of scrap learning and the estimated cost savings you can achieve by reducing it, and prescriptive recommendations for how to reduce scrap learning. As with any PowerPoint presentation, you can print it, which provides a fast, informative handout to share with stakeholders. And because the entire document is editable, you can quickly apply your organization's brand, including logo, font, and coloring, as needed. When you open the PowerPoint output, you're given a general overview describing scrap learning. You're then given scrap learning for this particular Instant Insights widget. It tells you how cost was calculated, the benchmark used, and filter items that were used for the widget. In this case, you can see that the widget was filtered to 6 courses related to leadership. The presentation then tells you the estimated cost savings that could be achieved by reducing scrap learning and how this amount was calculated. You will also see how your scrap has trended over time. The remainder of this presentation tells you specifically what may be causing scrap learning and provides recommendations for how to reduce or mitigate those issues. Just a few friendly reminders before we close this overview. First, you can now control when your Instant Insights widgets refresh. Doing so allows you to schedule your Instant Insights widgets to refresh at the same time your scheduled reports run. Second, you can now download any Instant Insights widget to a ready-made Microsoft PowerPoint presentation to easily share with stakeholders.